Carter, do you think your big brother's funny? Baby kiss. He's just looking. What do you think he's saying? What do you think he's saying?
Do you have milk, so Mommy? Yeah. He wants to fasten.
I think he's okay. He's just kind of waking up. Say bye-bye. Oh, baby shakes. Cooper. Cooper. Thank you. Say bye-bye.